Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make protein shake naturally at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a liquid base, like milk or water, about 1 cup. Next, choose a natural protein source. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese are excellent options. Don't forget to add some fruits for flavor and nutrients, and perhaps a spoonful of nuts or seeds for healthy fats. This simple approach ensures a wholesome and delicious shake every time. Let's dive into some fantastic natural protein sources. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse, offering around 17 grams of protein in a 170-gram serving. Cottage cheese is another excellent choice, packing about 25 grams of protein per 1 cup. For healthy fats and extra protein, consider adding 2 tablespoons of your favorite nut butter, which provides about 8 grams of protein. And don't forget chia seeds, offering 5 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber in just 2 tablespoons. Now, let's talk about making your shake truly delicious and enjoyable. Ripe bananas are perfect for natural sweetness and a wonderfully creamy texture. For an extra nutritional boost without changing the taste, toss in a handful of fresh spinach. A dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract can elevate the flavor profile beautifully. Finally, adding a few ice cubes will make your shake colder, thicker, and incredibly refreshing, especially on a warm day. Putting it all together is simple. Just combine all your chosen ingredients in a high-speed blender. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until smooth and creamy. Feel free to adjust the liquid amount to achieve your desired consistency, more liquid for a thinner shake, less for a thicker one. The best part is experimenting with various fruit and protein combinations to discover your favorite flavors. Enjoy your perfectly customized, natural homemade protein shake right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.